to teach you how to make worms and dirt. So first, you're going to get the required thing. Where is it? Right here. This thing. Or any type of chocolate pudding thing. And then you read the instructions. So it says 2 cups cold milk. But first, you gotta get a bowl. Bowl. Close it. Now it says beat pudding mix in milk for 2 minutes. So we're going to open up the thing and then take out this thing, this brown baggie, and then you're going to get some scissors. Well, you don't need scissors really. And we're just going to tear it open and pour it in. And after that, going to get a measuring cup. Yeah, you can't see me getting the measuring cup. It's up there somewhere. Yeah, I don't know where. I'll get it. So yeah, watch the wires. Okay, I got the measuring cup. And we need, how many cups? 2 cups? Yeah, 2 cups of milk. So, I'll go get some milk. Some yummy, yummy milk. You close fridge. And we're going to need to fill it up 2 ounces, 2 cups. Yeah, you can't really see where it says cups. There, 2 cups. So I'm going to unscrew this milk and pour it in till it reaches 2 cups. And yeah, this is just about 2 cups. So, going to take this, pour it into the bowl. And yeah. Then, going to have to get a whisk. So grab 1 whisk. And you whisk this for 2 minutes. Yeah. Well, you really whisk it till it feels really hard. Oh, you also need to get some Oreos. Whisk, whisk. Not hard enough yet. Getting closer. And you need some gummy worms. Once it feels just right, you put it in the fridge. You put it in the fridge and wait 5 minutes. 5 minutes later. So you go into the fridge and you're gonna get your bowl and take it out. nice and yummy. Yeah, and then you need to get a cup. And you need to get the pudding in the cup. Oh yeah, this was the pudding I was whisking, but I didn't want to wait 2 minutes, so I just made it. And then you're gonna get a spoon. Spoon. Nice and big. Spoon. And you're going to just slop some of this into that bowl. And flop. And make sure it's like about, I don't know, halfway maybe? Yeah, so just go and plop. And plop. And plop. And plop. Now, if you're done plopping, sorry, and you're gonna need to get some Oreos. Give me that, okay? And once you've got your Oreos, going to get a bag. Here is the bag. You're gonna need one bag. And you're gonna take like 5 Oreos like this, I think. Yeah, 5. That sounds like about enough. So yeah, you're gonna take 5 Oreos and put them in the bag. 1. Oh, I have to open up the bag. 3. 1. No, don't close on me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is the fun part. So, make sure the bag is sealed tightly because you don't want these crumbs coming everywhere. But what you're gonna do is you're going to take these bags and you're just gonna make sure it's really crumbly. See this? See the crumbly. But it needs more. Crumbly. Die, bag, die. Okay, now that it's all super crumbly, we can go back to our cup. I should start working over there. Take this cup, open your bag, and pour all the remnants in the cup. I'll show you what it looks like once I'm done pouring. Ta-da! Shake this around. And yeah, you can mix it up if you want. And yeah, then you're going to need to get some gummy worms. I think they're up here. Dang it. Okay, I'll just open a new pack of gummy worms. Now, I pick trolley gummy worms because I like trolleys the most. And yeah, so you're gonna take, let me put this chair down. You're gonna take these gummy worms and you're going to put them in your cup like so. So just take a handful, just go. Just put them in there. Ploppity plop. No, I did not buy one of only one color. in there, and then you can mix it up some more to make sure you taste all the yummy bits. And then you know what I like to do? I like to get some marshmallows. I think they're in here. Marshmallows? No. Well, I like to get some marshmallows, and I like to just, put them in here and tell my parents that the bird pooped. So right now I'm just looking for the marshmallows. Marshmallows, come here. Okay, they're not here. That's okay. And if you don't have any gummy worms, then that's just sad. No, you can use Sour Patch Kids and pretend it's, I don't know, just pretend it's like, just pretend they're human gummy worms. All right, this is how you make yummy worms in dirt.